Smells like a lot of glue. Oh man, I think I just got high. Fresh. It smells like it's gonna be a butt whooping for Luis. That's what it smells like, baby. Let's go. $50, $70, 70, or the 90. We're going with the 90 because we're going big and we're gonna win. So I'm gonna be back in the office and I'm gonna freaking smack them. I'll let you guys know how it goes.
Smack Luis and ping pong now.
Sir, baby. Let's see what we got here. I don't even know what we got. I just picked the most expensive one because this is what I learned. Great paddle comes great responsibility, baby. Let's go.
We gotta take care of it.
All right, buddy, here we go. All right, we got a little Stiga. Stiga. Stiga.
Stiga.
Hey, buddy, that's gold, baby. Whoopsie.
How's it taste? How's it taste, buddy?
Hello.
I thought she was gonna knock on your window for a second.
She's crazy. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, buddy. Oh, dang, it's double wrap, dude. Oh my gosh.
Just like your burrito.
That is so true. Dang, buddy, we got the. Oh gosh, dang, that's gonna be good.
That's nice. Really nice.
Holy crap.